Hey everyone, welcome back. If your check engine light is on and your scanner reads P0455, this video is for you. P0455 indicates a large EVAP fuel vapor leak in your car. The most common causes are a loose or damaged gas cap, cracked EVAP hoses, faulty purge valves, vent solenoid failure, or worn fuel tank seals. Don't ignore this code. Common signs include a noticeable fuel smell, failing emissions tests, a persistent check engine light, and slight drops in fuel economy. Repair costs vary. Gas cap replacement is $15, $40. Cracked hose fixes are $80, $200. A new purge valve runs $150, $350. And major EVAP repairs cost $500 plus. Quick pro tip, always check your gas cap first. Most P455 issues are fixed by simply retightening or replacing it. No expensive parts needed. When you encounter care problems, open Carutoo. It can answer your questions. Hit subscribe. Leave the code you'd like me to cover next down in the comments.